Hello students, let us learn about the atmosphere. What is an atmosphere? So atmosphere is nothing but it surrounds our planet Earth just like the peel of an orange surrounds the fruit, and it compresses a layer of gas that make the Earth unique among all other planets. The atmosphere is held in place by Earth's gravitational force. A gas such as oxygen present in the atmosphere is extremely essential for the survival of living beings. So atmosphere is very important in our life. See, the atmosphere of Earth is the layer of gases commonly known as air, retained by Earth's gravity surrounding the planet Earth and forming its planetary atmosphere. The atmosphere of Earth protects life on Earth by creating pressure. Okay. Now let us see what exactly a human being required. We required water, sunlight and air. Even plants required water, sunlight and air. See, the formation of the seeding also, they required the water and sunlight, then only the plantation will be happen. So let us see the resources, the sources and resources. The natural resources are also classified based on their renewability. Renewable natural resources, these are resources that can be replenished. Examples of renewable resources including the air and wind. Now let us see the layers of the atmosphere. Here we go, like see, the first layer will always be the troposphere. Troposphere is nothing but a layer closest to the earth. This zone extends up to the height of about 16 kilometers. So let us have a look of the layers individually. Okay, so this is first, let us talk about the troposphere. Starts up at the earth surface and extends 8 to 14.5 kilometers height, 5 to 9 miles. This part of the atmosphere is the most densest almost weather is in this region. Now stratosphere. Stratosphere is the layer of horizontal and stable airflow which extends above the troposphere to about 50 kilometers above. So the same way mesosphere is about the stratopauses, and thermosphere is about the mesosphere, and exosphere is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. So let us talk about the soil. Even the soil is also very important and essential for our life. So the plants will grow according to the soil condition. If the soil is a complete fertile soil, the plants will grow according to that, and the plants will grow according to that, the condition of the soil, and the heat. And the soil is a material composed of 5 ingredients: minerals, soil, organic matters, living organism, gas and water. Soil minerals are divided into 3 size classes: clay, silt and sand. The percentages of particulars in this size classes is called soil texture. The mineralogy of soil is diverse. So even the soil is very essential in our life. So plants, plants require the soil, heat, water, etc. According to the climate condition, the plants will grow according to that. So this is what the atmosphere's topic. So let us come with a new topic. Have a nice day.